How to get Custom Gamerpic on Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. First of all, download the Xbox app, whether you're on Android with the Google Play Store or the App Store on iOS devices like the iPhone or iPad. Once you're on there, click the top left hand corner where you should see your current profile picture, your gamer pic. Once you're on there, click the little pencil above where your current gamer pic is. There you should see in the top left where it says plus and then the little picture logo. Go ahead and click on that. There it will access your photos on your device. There you want to go ahead and click on the picture image that you want to use as your gamer pic. Go ahead and size that as so. Then click upload in the bottom there. Then click upload again. It should look a little bit different on the Android, but the same type of process. Then it will update your gamer pic at the bottom. So obviously you'll need to make sure that your picture that you want to use is on the photos of your phone. So go ahead, you can do that through like emailing it to yourself or using the OneDrive, etc. to be able to put it onto your phone. Then once you've done that, you'll be able to see it here on the Xbox itself. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.